find like number 22 midges or something.
Hey John, you have a problem with my stuff?
No.
And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap around.
I'm just a little bit ornery after having
the bend just a little bit.
Sissy bar on the
just
boat.
a little bit around the bend. So
hey, if you trade it for a Maverick, maybe you don't need a sissy bar.
Down.
I don't need a sissy bar. Period.
That?
Jim Blackburn does.
Oh.
Just around the bend.
Well, we're out here again fishing on the lower Laguna Madre, and last night we had a tying session. We're gonna give ourselves a shot at a few of these flies right here that we tied last night. A couple of the guys, maybe a little deer hair slider, redfish slider right here. This tied by Larry Haynes himself right there. Larry, good job. We're gonna see, it's proven to work, I'm sure. Dr. Ray tried a deceiver pattern right here with actually a piece of duct tape as the tail, so we might give that a shot. We just pulled off plane and we're on a nice little flat here. Michael's already gotten started and I'm fixing to go. Let's see if we can catch a redfish. Well, Michael and I happened to catch 3. This is his second one. Wow, that's a nice fish, Michael. Good job. Alright. I caught a little one today, about 22. It is a little windy. We're going to go try to find a couple more.